Hey guys, welcome back. Guys, so I'll be making some banana bread. So first I'm going to add my eggs. I'm using 2 eggs here. Took the eyes out of the egg, that white part attached to the egg. I took that out. So I'm going to add my eggs to my bowl. I'm going to go ahead by adding, I don't have a full cup of sugar here, but if you want your bread to be sweet, you can go ahead and fill your cup up. But for me, the bananas are already sweet, so I don't really want to add too much sugar. I'm going to add some white rum to my mixture. This is completely optional. So I'm going to add like about 2 tablespoons of white rum, not too much, and I'm going to whisk. So I'm going in with 4 overripe bananas. So these are so ripe, I can actually smell the sugar coming from it. So I want to get all of these off. I'm going to give my banana a little crush. I'm adding a teaspoon of baking powder. I'm also going in with a teaspoon of baking soda, a teaspoon of my cinnamon powder, and we also want a teaspoon of salt. I'm also adding a teaspoon of vanilla and a cup of vegetable oil. I'm going to gradually mix in some flour. So I'll be using between 1.5 cups to 2 cups of flour. I'm going to transfer my mixture to my pan that I greased with some unsalted butter. And just get So my banana bread has been baking for an hour. this is what it looks like. I'm going to use a toothpick to test the center. Should be ready. The color is nice, and this is definitely ready. Perfect, clean. And this is what made my banana bread, and I guarantee you it is super delicious. It smells so good. Easy to make banana bread.